Previously on Sonic 8 Going Nomad. After leaving Palm Springs, we stayed 2 months in Temple City. Then, after a stressful trip, we made it to Fort Mojave in Arizona, where we stayed 6 weeks and enjoyed the beautiful scenery. We left our spot in the middle of a blackout towards St. John's, Arizona. My name is Inaia, and this is Diego. We're a married traveling couple of musicians. 3 months ago, we sold everything. We moved into an RV with our 3 cats, Mr. Gonzalez, Chloe, and E.T. We're going to the Gulf to buy a sailboat, to live aboard and learn to sail it, and travel to Punta del Este, Uruguay. All this while I get my private pilot certificate. Join us on our adventures and run away with us. Thanks for watching. Okay, St. John's, impressions. St. John's is a little rural town in the east of Arizona, near the border with New Mexico. It's quiet with very beautiful skies, and our park had very spacious spots, each one with a concrete slab, where I could practice my yoga and sometimes freak out some neighbors. We came here to lay low for a couple weeks before going to our next stop in Albuquerque, where we will stay 1 night. After that, Santa Fe, where I will restart my pilot training. We're on our way to the pet store, which is I can't wait.
Vamos a la veterinaria para comprar comida para los gatos porque los estúpidos del correo no vinieron.
Yeah.
Eso está pasando.
Amazon was supposed to show up with the cat food and they didn't, so now we have to drive an hour. Stop it! We visited some neighboring little towns like Sholo, Concho, and Springerville, where we were forced to go buy cat food since the mail decided not to deliver it that day. However, going to the pet store always means we'll see cute kitties. He's gorgeous. His name is Sunday.
We also came to see our friend Eddie, who showed us his property. Very cool, with a very nice cave.
And a river running through it.
Yes, very cool.
We had a few opportunities to roam around Eddie's property. We saw a cow carcass, which is not rare, being that St. John's cows can roam around any property without being bothered. Apparently, coyotes weren't okay with following these laws. There's a portion of the Colorado River that crosses a property. We tried to fly the drone down into a cave, but there was no access to get the drone back if we lost it. We never got to satisfy our curiosity about the inside of this mysterious cave. So we kept exploring the other natural beauty this land had to offer. you want to be a more intimate part of this journey, come along on Patreon and support our journey.
And if Patreon is not something for you, don't worry. There are ways to help. Commenting, sharing, subscribing. That helps a lot.
And it makes us happy when we get to interact with you all and share our journey with you.
Yeah, or answer questions.
Allison asked us about how to empty the black tank and what that process is like. So we're gonna show her. Hopefully we won't show her too much and freeze you out.
The first thing I do is put a few gallons of water in the gray water tank so I can rinse the hose after emptying the black water tank. Time to release the poop. Once the black water is empty, we close the latch and we open the gray water tank to rinse the hose. As you can see, the water comes out clean.
We've been here for 2 weeks. I think that's the perfect amount of time to be here. I'm ready to go to New Mexico. I start flying in a few days. Don't know if I am grossly over-prepared or I haven't done anywhere nearly enough. And I don't think I'm gonna know that until I don't get in the plane and start flying. I'm a little nervous. We just take it easy on the road. So it's 8 o'clock at night. We're going to lay down and get a couple hours of sleep, and we want to wake up at 2 so that we can get on the road by 3 and we can take our time to get to Albuquerque, where we will spend 1 night. That's it. We're gonna try to get some shut-eye for a couple hours.
I don't think I'm gonna sleep because I'm nervous, but who knows? Oh.
Luckily, Diego did get some sleep, and by 4 a.m., we were following the road northeast bound towards Albuquerque, New Mexico, with our home, the Slow Rider, stoically behind us.